That is one sick ass bike. Alright, let's get on it then. It is already warm, so no worries in that department. Man, this is nice. Just a little bit. What was I saying though? Yeah, it's a sick bike, man. It is so nice, it sounds so nice, it looks pretty as hell, looks strong, it's plenty sporty. I feel like I'm definitely not less leaned over than on my GSX-S1000. Definitely not less. Oh, this sound is something else as well. That was embarrassing. That was embarrassing. I saw him looking. I thought he might think it's cool. That is a nice car. Alright, I actually need to turn around though, because I'm kind of heading for I don't even know where. Whoa, what is this even? Looks cool. It should not be so far from here, it should be like 10-15 minutes, I think. Oof. He did say the tires are all new. I mean, everything on this bike is new, so. Damn! I mean, I feel like one just has to experience this kind of thing. I can't hop on this bike and not give it a bit of juice. There's another biker. Nice. That's the guy I passed before. Okay. In 300 meters, turn right. Sick. Love it. It's a nice area to ride around though.